Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable advertising preferences in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and head on into right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, once you've logged in, this will open up. From here, you can either like the people or unlike them. Well, for now, let's simply go to Profile. Once in the Profile page, what you need to do is simply go to Settings. The button's at the top right and it's a gear-like icon. Click on the button right here. Once the Settings page pops up, well, there are lots of things like basic info, notifications, privacy and everything. Let's simply hit on this Privacy tab right here and this will open up. Well, at the very end, you can see something like Advertising Preferences. Click on this button right here and it's gonna show you something like this. Allow personalized ads. While it's enabled, I want to disable it. And the other one is show ads. You can remove ads if you get Badoo Premium. Well, you can toggle this button off, but only once you get Badoo Premium. Well guys, that's it. That's how you disable advertising preferences on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.